Is Arav Yadav, and today I am here to present my PPT on Venn diagram. The index for today's PPT is concept on Venn diagram, applications of Venn diagram, the origin of Venn diagram, and about great John Venn. If we talk about Venn diagram, a Venn diagram is a diagram that shows all possible logical relations between a finite collection of different sets. Uses overlapping circles to represent sets and their relationships. Helps visualize similarities between differences, and intersections. If we say how is a Venn diagram represented, we use a rectangle which is represented by a triangle, rectangle which is actually a universal set. And in a Venn diagram, it is represented by overlapping circles where each circle represents a set or category. The overlapping areas between circles shows the common elements, intersection of those sets. Non-overlapping parts shows the elements that are unique to each set. The universal set, if used, is usually shown as a rectangle that contains all the circles. Applications on Venn diagram. It helps in statistics and probability. For an example, the probability of taking maths or Hindi in 11th standard for optional subject. The intersection shows the probability of having both. The other is students taking stress, tension by taking science stream, both or either. The second application is applied in computer science for data organization. A Venn diagram in computer science visually represents data, relationships, intersections, and differences between data sets, aiding in data organizations and analysis. The third application is useful in business for comparing products, services, or strategies. A Venn diagram is useful in business for comparing products, services, or strategies by showing similarities, differences, and overlaps visually. The final or the second last application used in mathematics to illustrate set theory and logic, which we have studied in the first chapter. The last is applied in education to teach relationships and classification. For example, Venn diagrams are applied in education to teach classification, logical relationships, set theory, and critical thinking through visual comparisons. The introduction or a brief description on John Venn. The Venn diagram was introduced by John Venn, an English logician and philosopher. John Venn lived between 1834 and 1923, the face of this man. He introduced the diagram in 1880 in a paper titled on the diagrammatic and mechanical representation of propositions and reasonings. Thank you.